before they're forever banned. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many years can a mountain exist before it's washed to the sea? How many years must some people exist before they're allowed to be free? And how many times can a man turn his head and pretend that he just doesn't see the answer? The answer, my friends, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many times can a man look up before he sees the sky? How many ears must one person have before he can hear people cry? And how many deaths will it take till he knows that too many people have died? The answer, my friends, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you're going to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there. For those who come to San Francisco, summertime will be a-loving there. In the streets of San Francisco, gentle people with flowers in their hair. All across the nation, such a strange vibration. People in motion. There's a whole generation with a new explanation. People in motion. People in motion. For those who come to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you come to San Francisco, summertime will be a-loving there. If you come to San Francisco, summertime will be a-loving there.
The Eastern world, it is exploding, violence flaring, bullets loading. You're old enough to kill, but not for voting. You don't believe in war, but what's that gun you're toting? And even the Jordan River has bodies floating. But you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Don't you understand what I'm trying to say? Can't you feel the fears I'm feeling today? If the button is pushed, there's no running away. There'll be no one to save with the world in a grave. Take a look around you, boy, it's bound to scare you, boy. And you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Blood's so mad, feels like coagulating. I'm sitting here just contemplating. I can't twist the truth, it knows no regulation. Handful of senators don't pass legislation, and marches alone can't bring integration. When human respect is disintegrating, this whole crazy world is just too frustrating. And you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Think of all the hate there is in Red China, then take a look around to Selma, Alabama. You may leave here for 4 days in space, but when you return, it's the same old place. The pounding of the drums, the pride and disgrace. You can bury your dead, but don't leave a trace. Hate your next door neighbor, but don't forget to say grace. And tell me over and over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. No,
القضية فلسطينية تمس كل الإنسانية، عمرنا ما نضحي بيها مهما كان. اللي بيهدد وطننا واللي بيهدم ديارنا ندل ظالم معتدي واكبر جبان. يا قدسنا يا قدسنا يا قدس أقداس المنى، فداك حياة مليون حياة نهديك حياة
cervello poverello già stordito, sbalordito, non ragiona, si confonde, si riduce all'impazzare.
Ci ha regalato 2 perle ieri sera e stasera, io l'ho sentito tante volte, ma quasi ha dato il meglio proprio per quello che fa anche CILSA a favore dei cittadini e della salute, quindi non poteva esserci un regalo migliore. Vi ringrazio, vi ripeto, vi ringrazio a nome di CILSA, della cittadinanza, perché questo omaggio l'avete regalato alla cittadinanza, visto che noi ci battiamo per i diritti della cittadinanza, e anche dall'amministrazione che mi ha incaricato di salutarvi, e come ho ripetuto ieri sera, stasera è stato un omaggio a CILSA, ma il prossimo anno fatemi ben pagare dal comune. Ciao!